What's up everybody, welcome back to Crypto For You. My name's Tony and today I'm looking at Bitcoin. People are becoming more scared with Bitcoin falling down farther and farther in the short term. As you guys know, we did get rejected off of my huge resistance line, the $44,000 level, and are right now falling down. Now in reality, this is not scary, but actually something bullish that could cause us to pump very high. What do I mean by this? Well, let's get straight to the charts to find that out. Don't forget to leave a like down below, subscribe, and watch till the end because this is going to be a very important video. So, look at this. As you guys know, we are at $41,000, have recently dumped from 45 because we got rejected off of a huge, gigantic resistance level, the $44,000 level. We are inside of my huge pattern, the ascending triangle, and since we are dumping down, if we continue to fall down, we will reach the bottom of the triangle, and if we confirm support, you guys know what's going to happen. Repeat the process, we're going to pump up, and hopefully try to retest. Now, hopefully we do not reach the bottom. What do I mean by that? Well, if I turn on the daily EMA ribbon, you can clearly see that we are trying to confirm support on it right now. You guys probably know the deal with the daily EMA ribbon in Bitcoin. It is a huge indicator that shows when we are pumping up and dumping down in a bull market or bear market. Let me zoom out and show you. Every single time we are above the daily EMA ribbon, we are in a bullish trend, as you guys can see. And as long as we keep tapping and confirming support on this daily EMA ribbon, we keep making higher highs and go higher. As soon as we break it though, which is what happened right over here back in November 17, 2021, we actually broke below it and tapped it as resistance, making this a bearish trend now, and we continued to fall down until we tried to break above it. Now right now, we did break above it. Now before we pump up, what's important is that we confirm support so that we had a strong grip, and that is exactly what Bitcoin's doing right now, which is why it's important that we confirm support on the daily time frame. We tried this once before and we failed miserably. We tried to confirm support and it looked so bullish, but we got rejected off of a huge resistance line, the same resistance line which caused Bitcoin to dump right now. It formed an M pattern and it dumped down. 44,000 is merciless, and it caused Bitcoin to dump back down to like $34,000 from 44. A $10,000 dump. Now, as you guys can see, we're trying to recreate the same exact thing. We're trying to confirm support and pump up. And so, as you guys can see, we are trying to do the same thing again, trying to confirm support so we could reestablish our bullish trend and continue to pump up. What's different this time from last time though is something that if we go on the weekly time frame, I can show you. If I turn on the RSI and stochastic RSI, you guys can see something clearly different that is going on between the RSI and stochastic RSI that did not happen in February. As you guys can see, we have the RSI, which is at 45, just above it, which is very bullish because when the RSI goes above 45, we tend to see a bullish spike up. But what's different between the RSI and stochastic RSI now from February, which is when we tried to break above it last time and we failed, is that the stochastic RSI is above its own point level. When the stochastic RSI is above 20, it backs up the RSI that is above 45, and it causes a huge chain reaction that causes the price to go up. It doesn't have to be instant, but it's very soon. As you guys can see, the previous time we had this was in July 12th of 2021. As you guys can see, we did in fact go above 45, and the stochastic RSI backed it up by jumping above the 20 and making itself blue on top, and it pumped up for a long time, going all the way to $69,000 before eventually turning around, dumping back down. As you guys can see, we're in the same scenario as July 12, 2021, with the stochastic RSI and RSI looking very bullish, which is what could propel Bitcoin to be very high very soon. And if I go back to the daily time frame, we have one more thing. We have a huge bullish indicator that if we right now fall down to this support level, which one, we're going to break below the daily EMA ribbon, but second, we're going to invalidate this pattern. If you guys can see it, good job. It is the W pattern that is very bullish. If we now confirm support on this daily EMA ribbon, then we could still save this pattern. But what's so important about this pattern? Well, if we would have broken above this trend line, then we could have actually reached the target. The target is a very important level, $54,000. That is very important because it's very close to 53, which is what I think we're going to actually stop at, because $53,000 is actually a huge resistance line. It caused Bitcoin to actually stop in its tracks when it was pumping up from $30,000. It went to 52 and stopped there, got rejected, and fell down. It's a very strong and ruthless level that everybody's afraid of. If we break above it, which is what we did last time we were here in October 5, it caused us to pump to $69,000, and if we break above it now, it could cause us to make new all-time highs and new higher highs, which is going to be very bullish. Also, if we reach this indicator, we're going to of course make a new higher high, and we're going to be in official trends. We're going to be confirming probably support on the daily EMA ribbon. So what is supposed to happen? We are supposed to confirm on this daily EMA ribbon and not break below it. If we break below this daily EMA ribbon though, we have two possible options. We either dump down and confirm support on this bottom of the ascending triangle, which is our last hope. If we break it down, we will actually dump down and probably make a lower low. If we confirm support on it and actually start pumping up again, then we could technically try for a third time to break above the daily EMA ribbon and break above this huge $44,000 support and reach 53,000. This is something I cannot tell you if we're going to confirm support or break the daily EMA ribbon, and that is what you guys yourself have to wait. Of course, I will be giving you guys updates when Bitcoin does whatever it will do. And all we gotta do is wait. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Forget to click that post notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!